I've been making YouTube videos now for, I think, 4 years, seriously for about 2.5 years. And in the last 2.5 years, we've gone from about 500 subs to over 20,000, which is super awesome. And I'm very grateful for you guys for watching these videos. And in today's video, I want to go through the hardware I use to film these videos, the lighting, the cameras, the microphones, the apps that I have on my phone, how we do the screen recording, all of that stuff, so that you can start recording videos yourself. Because I want to see you. I want to see your ideas. So let's jump into it. Here is an outline of the hardware that we use to record videos. First things first is the camera. I use a Canon G7X, which I'll show you here. It is not the fanciest camera, but it records in HD, like you see here. I don't need to mess with lenses. It has face tracking, so you can just put it down, turn it on, and record pretty easily. We'll have links to all this stuff down in the description below as well. I like these bundles, even though I don't know if I would use all this stuff. We use a different tripod, which I'll show you in a second, and then I've got batteries, the same charger, all this. This is the camera we use. Next up, you can't have a solid YouTube video without good lighting. These are the Julius Studio 160 LEDs. They come in a 2-pack, fairly cheap, about $25 each, $50 for the 2-pack, and they work super well. They even come with this lighting stand, and if you want to see this setup, if you're wondering how am I so evenly lit, well, I'll show you. I've got two lights right here, and they're both aiming at the wall, and then that light is reflected back this way. We also have the natural light coming from this window, and all of that combines to create a very even lighting setup from multiple angles. I could film this way and show you more of what's going on my laptop. I could film this way and show you more of the room. And I like this angle because you can see my emperor painting, which I'm a big fan of, but the lighting setup that I have also allows me to take a step back, and if I wanted to do it handheld over here, I could film from a couple different angles and still have the lighting be even. So those are the lights we use. Next up is the microphone, which I'm wearing right here, the professional grade lavalier omnidirectional mic, which is a $22 microphone, so nothing too expensive here, and that just plugs directly into the iPhone, which is running the next part of having a high quality recording, which is the Rode Reporter app. See how it's recording right now? And that is over here for free in the App Store. And what this allows you to do is record audio that's high quality. The iPhone has a built-in recording device, but I found that using an app like this lets you record in high resolution. It lets you record things that the iPhone would screen out or not pick up. So this is the app that we use. I recommend this one because it's free too. Next up, we've got screen recording, and the thing that we're using to record screen is Quicktime. Quicktime is built into the Mac, and it's just as simple as going File, New Screen Recording to start a recording here. This one's grayed out because we're currently recording this video. I also use this app called Loopback to record the audio from the computer because Quicktime does not have it built in. So we'll use Loopback to ensure that the QuickTime picks up Google Chrome, Skype, the microphone, all of that at the same time. How's this camera mounted? Well, we use the Joby Gorilla 3K. It's a very easy to use tripod. It lets you hold it out. I'm bending it right now. You can't see it because I don't have a second camera, but it sure is useful here. And that's all we need to record YouTube videos. We'll have links to all of this down in the description below. Feel free to check it all out. And if you make videos, link your channel down in the comments with like a quick write-up of what you do, and I might just check out one of your videos. Again, I'd love to see the type of content you're creating because we all have content in us, and sometimes it just takes having some gear and pressing one button to record to get it out. I'm Alex Berman. Thanks for watching.